6 people are seriously injured at Yadiomo Aqua Hospital. And nkrofo mienu ewu yaya na nkrofo mienu na wo mu ewu no a BNI officer and another person eka ho na etie for ayabrehosem na senior meeting kanto na this chieftaincy clashes esiye na baby poti assembly esiye no Mankesim. Na the 6 people who were injured no police inspector eka ho, police investigator being so one also ka ho na omo no they sustained various degrees of injuries. Currently no they are on admission at a health facility omo responding to treatment. Na asem no ase won sheda ehu the AC because reports need be amate etrese these people were actually lynched. Just say yachi omo bu omo ku omo. Reports be from some credible website to say Ghana Web and my news GH so say these people were caught up in a crossfire. But will be into me and pinpoint the ekum nkrofo we pote yen fan say BNI officer the ekum no pote no obia into me fan nsa ensi so enka. The other person in so no the identity no we actually don't know. It's only the BNI officer, one must say BNI officer and one other person killed in Mankesim chieftaincy clashes. At year 4. Inti ye don't want to call you say say the see and say Wamo at the on my hima fofro of Mankesim ABC so na say on my hima fofro of Mankesim na womo de nebesi so no ebimo omo hu ne se enye san nipa ko na o se yede ni so as oman hema ebe mu so hu ne se da bi san nipa na e wo se yede no esi so tem se eno mu na ntokwa but the act ne se bobi beka se na eba ne sen na security agencies ana beka se BNI officer wewu police ni we pra police inspector bin so we pra police investigator bin so we ban se na ade ba kon security agencies and security officers CSR. Now they actually and they said these security officers no they were playing undercover and they were actually reporting. Naturally say they weren't there as a year security officers. One more you man now one more share police at Iran Kofobe say oh where police for now one more as I think normal people. Now one more play undercover role. Into BBC ya na bia one more head officer ka say investigation na ye no we see and I for a rehosema basa BNI officer yi minim the see ya womo dia femu ekunu no but they ate and they say police for I mean just like what a lot of Ghanaians say, if you touch any BNI officer, if you touch any police officer, if you touch any security government security agent officer Ghana has here, be rest assured say the police force will use all their resources available to come after you. Into the art and say police for around they have 5 people that were mususu say nkrofo way they are suspects. And so far they've been arrested in the house from which a year a tuno a course but yes because now police for no they were expecting say I'm say police on the ground the entire woman and nkrofo eco play undercover role and say they got him say BBC inti na police for be ebi aye standby ewo baby wo mo hwe say wo mo play undercover role ewo program na ase no BBC ya wo mo bebo mo amane inti am say wo mo prayer no fast wo mo send information emma the standby police team no na wo mo ba intentema na che say wo mo ba fie ho a wo mo yesa ade na no mo ana mo kita etu a wo mo tutu na say be etu no ba kokko kan BNI officer any other person na wo mo ku no it end am ne say police for action for 5 in connection with the killing of the BNI officer, the injuries, the various degree of injuries are the other 2 policemen and the other person who was also killed. So the other person there and the identity we don't know for now. We don't actually know. So the information I hear one very scanty, but I'm still digging into this. Na munim say the latest on this beyond the bed still you need that from send yankrofo we put me maybe a BNI officer no go show be before because at then I said in talk about who go shoot to BNI officer Like se who nim so e BNI officer krana, like obviously se who be shoot you bia e gini ba ko na ye bibi ama wo buefu. Nti wo play undercover role no e bia wo ye bibi ma wo bi bufu ye e man ba ko no ko boni, like you don't actually know what happened. Ya try some but still ye nim the AC ye pote. But meanwhile no the injured police inspector no ya refer no to Cape Coast Teaching Hospital for further treatment because omo hu say anyway no emu ye ayedin. You know, I just want to read some comments. This story I'm going me who on Facebook, me who on Ghana Web, me who on my news feed. I've seen on AZ, like a lot of websites man can see phone so report groups mu Facebook enye asem kuma. It's me person me read the comments na ye who provided say nkrofo emfa adie we in play politics. We just want to get more info into this because now say I can't say Ghana no I say now say if you report something like this, say oh there's a clash, you know, I say yeah you normal. What Ghana has say, I don't know where this country is heading to, but now say every single day, bad story be free Ghana, but every single day, either Sam Roberts ako robi obi okuno, and now Marco robi obi, and now Marco yesi, and now we ako tututio. Just say you just don't know. Now grofo we baby abo munye etu ni fikran ye nim. Ati ase, it is very very risky. Like Ghana is not like in Ghana. We see ourselves as a very peaceful country. Say I say me si no obi akotwitu say we shoot obi ekuno. Hey, it's here for to trust them. They are those in Ghana. I don't know me. They be American. I don't know for more ya mutie me, but me and they be American reporting on matters like this. Now I'm even getting fed up. But every single day, eba, and I ask them about say story be I it's like we have a public contract with you guys. Ati ase debia e was say the bremo ntumi gas ye fa bremo we be say I need to tell each and everyone that there is no hiding place on this earth. So my advice to everyone is please try to do the right thing and at the right time. Thanks. And only asema will be can say sebe will be our fee say wonu wo kun will be na we jani akotetene de or no person wo to say ni pekunefo say ewiase we mu pan de ye ni baby a obeka se me kodi boni akotete. It's the also way and say the asempa ya papa at the right time. Ya papa and only asema ipakono area. I feel say we a futu papa would be a the Emma. Let me say what at all is it about land and chieftaincy issues that policemen and BNI officials and other state actors are always involved? I've always said that the first institution are systematically dismantled and eventually abolish. Me the bakone can be mami read more say comments no and share them papa. Okay, say what at all is it about land and chieftaincy issues that the policemen and BNI officials and other state actors are always involved? I've always said that the first institution are systematically dismantled and eventually abolished is antiquated chieftaincy. Inti asema ndi bako we can say dia nkra na wo sorry hey police for any BNI for as a ahemfo nsem omo de omo ho ahyem sa na onu ndi bako na o se wono na nka wo be da na president a na ka the first thing na wo be ma ya to egu se be ahendie titi ahendie angrofo still wo mo de one thing they say the entire ahinie no the entire yankrofo ko a eye ntokon ne say masa ahinie no enye small because some man kesim ho no nsase no ebe hye ye ohene no ne nase wo hene no obetete nsase na aton ati ase nti ahinie ne de ya dia sika wom especially wo baby ansase wo ho nkrofo nim ho chese nti ahinie ne nkrofo fem dia agro because sika ehum papa nti a lot of people put in their all it would dia bro na wo mo hwe na masa wo ye we ya wo bepe wo bia bo tu kunkra ahenie ene asase ho nsem. It has killed a lot of people in this country. Ahenie ne asase ho nsem ngofu ekun enye easy. Obviously, do you want to find a woman for masa e ka se ma so say o say so you see it is in the nature of men to descend to the gutters and that such dastardly acts aren't the peasants of nothingness as it's often portrayed. Na won say asemsi wa Ghana it trust asemsi wa Ghana ya na nkrofo sheda ka se we de entafo nti asema nipa ko we eka ene se ade a ewo obiemu wo hwe de esi ewo mankesim ho na wo mu a wo mko di san nyambran se me se bi wo mu nya entafo nti tese wo bia betumi aye obi abetumi afetu se wo obo obi ekono ba Ghana de BBC ya yes entafo eno ni asema eda ho montre mo adwen ewo comment box ni mu obi say oh why do you like power so much? You come from a slave family and you want to be a queen mother. I don't know what the person is trying to say. But this nonsense chieftaincy must be abolished. We are frustrated with everyday killings. It's just like what I was saying. And only Asema will be I can say, it's Ghana pan debia ye kumobi or no de afuno. Me I be reporting on matters like that. No so afuno me. Like every second, nobody yes ye kumbwe. Every second ye kumbwe. I have a lot of stories lined up. Nini na no etutrasem akoso. Etiefo. I don't know, but enoni asema eda. Obi say, in what way do these kings or queens help in our growth as a nation? 50 years now, no progress, and there is no end in sight. If you keep doing the same things, do not expect different results. And only asema will be etiye for montre mo adwen ewo comment box ni mu na okay, we dey montre mo adwen comment box so etiye for me that say